Hey guys, oh my goodness, my hair. Hey guys, so a bit of a different video today. We are doing sorry, flashing my cleavage. We're doing a bake with me. So I'm sorry if the lighting's off, I'm sorry if the sound is weird. We're in my kitchen and I am going to attempt and hopefully get spot on, attempt to make a baby shower cake for Sam's sister's baby shower. So she's having a little girl, so I'm doing it all pink themed. I'm thinking like gradient colours of pink. I'm going to do 3 tiers, butter icing, flowers, little pink booties. I'm going to make like little icing blocks that say like baby larvae on them. It's going to be really cute. It's going to be fun. Hopefully it goes to plan. Let's get cracking. Bit nervous. I don't know where to place you for like the best angle of me cooking. Maybe like here, but everything's quite messy because I'm a messy person. Okay, so I think I've got everything I need. I've got my scales. I've got 3 bowls so that I can make like 3 cakes, different colours. And then I also just need to make like each cake mixture. So let's see, preheat the oven. Yep. Mix all the ingredients. That's the worst recipe ever. Oh, method, it's a different tab. Okay, so preheat the oven, done that. Right, in a large bowl, beat 200 grams of caster sugar, large bowl. Pop that on there, then press 0. That's a lot. Right, 201, basically smashed it. 200 grams of caster sugar, 200 grams of softened butter. Now, this isn't softened. Can you put butter in the microwave? I think I might like plop it on a plate and then put it in the microwave. I like take it out of its thing. Right, 200 grams of softened butter. Yes, and then 4 beaten eggs. Divide the mixture between tins. Oh, hang on, that's for 2 halves. Right, we need to split this. So it's 100 each. Right, let's go back to 0. So 100 grams. Sugar, butter, eggs. Voila, 1. I'm so glad that you guys are here with me because I actually don't think I'll be able to do it on my own. 2, make sure you check for a shell because we don't want shell in the egg. Right, my mum said to whisk this and then fold in the flour so that you don't crush the air, because if there's no air, then it's not gonna rise. So, let's plug this bad boy in and let's go. I feel like, oh god, I feel like that looks pretty fluffy. I'm gonna now measure out 100 grams of flour. Self-raising. Oh my god. You know, I feel like it's just gonna go like poof and puff everywhere. 99, 100, right. I'm gonna go and check with my mum because that's looking like really lumpy and I know that it's meant to be like really, really fluffy. So let me right back. No, I'm folding in.
I meant to get the lumps up first.
No, but I mean, no, it's not lumps.
Oh, you've melted the butter, have you? So, what are you doing?
You said fold it in.
You've done the sugar first.
Yeah, that's all done. That's all done. You said
how much of what did you do?
100 of everything, which is what it's told me to do.
Okay.
And then you said fold in the flour, so I'm folding.
It's not whisked enough, I don't think, is it?
Yeah, but it was. That's what I mean. I think I'm allowed to whisk it. I feel like at school I whisked it.
Go on then.
Here we go, guys. Pink food colouring. Okay, I'm now going to add in my food colouring. I don't know how much to put in of this. That's a bit better. Right, food colouring. So let's just see how much I need of this. And then obviously I'm going to go less and less. Right, we'll start with that amount and see how we go. Right, so sugar, 2 eggs, and 100 grams of each. So 100 grams of butter. I'm gonna try this one, but like whisking it part by part, if that makes sense. Right, they look completely different consistencies. But third time lucky. Now I don't want too much dye in this one at all. I need that one darker, I think. Or should I just put... Let's just try that. Oh my god, I just dropped my lid into the egg. How did I manage that? That's gross. That screams salmonella poisoning. Right, third and final time. Let's try again. 100 grams of sugar. Hold on, I'm smashing it. 100 grams of butter. I think how I did it that way, by like whisking them separately, worked better. So I'm going to do it like that again. This is stressful. That one looks good. That one looks mushy. And I don't want the... I think I put egg in my hair. I don't want the cake to be like dense, do you know what I mean? That's how it's meant to be. That needs more dye. That's gonna be my lightest pink. This one needs a little bit more dye. No, let's just leave it at that. Okay, so I've partially cleaned up. Now we're going to grease the tins, and I've got like bottomless tins, so I'm just going to grease it with some butter. And then pop these bad boys in the oven. Not gonna lie, I am nervous. You can't even see my face, but I really want this to go right. I feel like I bigged my bacon up. I was like, yeah, I can bake, I can bake. I think I need a little bit more butter. Right, let's go. So this is the lightest pink. I'll show you them all after. Into the cake tin we go. Oh my god, this is gonna be the best cake ever. I feel like the darker the colouring, the sloppier the cake. It just didn't want to be as airy, do you know what I mean? I can see the air bubbles though, so I'm hoping. I'm so scared. This one doesn't look that airy at all. I don't know why I didn't think of doing this in the first place. Because then it's capturing air in it. Okay, let's show you what we're working with. So you've got the palest pink for the top tier, then it goes darker, and then it goes darker. That is actually pink, but it doesn't look it. But perfecto. Let's hope that these go okay. Fingers bloody crossed, okay? That's all I'm saying. Right. This is too exciting. 1, 2. You can come with me. 3, into the oven. Bye-bye. 4:15, 20 minutes. 34 minutes past. let's set a timer for 30 minutes. Fingers crossed for me, right? I'm gonna clear up and then I'll see you in 20 minutes when we can have a little update on the cakes. Okay, so the cakes are cooking nicely, although they've got lots of air bubbles poking up. I hope that's normal. I'm not gonna open the oven until the time is up because Mother said so. We've got 11 minutes, so. Yeah, clean no. Clean no, I know that. Right, so I'm gonna make some booties now. Mum, what one do I use? The paste?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm making like, hang on, let's put, I need to put you like here. Hang on. Hang on. When in the kitchen, use the utensils that you can find. So let's just rest you on the grate. My mother has kindly made the bottom of them. So cute. And then I've just got to make the top. My goodness, how the hell am I meant to do this? This is so fiddly. Do I glue this on first? I just don't think that looks like a booty. Oh my god, oh my goodness me. Wow, right. Let's check those. Okay, the cakes have come out. I'm concerned that that looks a little bit burnt, but because they've risen like so much, I'm gonna have to like slice them flat anyway. So I'll just slice off like those little burnt bits. But now I've got to get them out there like a case and onto a cooling board, like a cooling tray. So let's make way. Okay, right. One tray. Tray. Oh wow, that came out easy. Right, we're just trying to do the icing. I have made a block. Believe it or not, why is it not? That's actually a lot harder to make than it looks. It's me again. So we're back. It's the next day. I'm not gonna be baking. We've got our cakes. I'm gonna leave these and then I'm gonna like do all the decorations today. So I'm gonna put like the letters. So I did some of the cubes yesterday. And we've got little feet and I'm gonna try and finish the shoes. And yeah, I'm gonna be decorating. So let's get going. Let's move these cakes out of the way. This is the most delicate thing I've ever touched in my life. That icing literally just wants to crumble. So I don't know how I'm gonna make these straps. Basically, this is what we're working with. I'm just gonna have you on the... This is what we're working with here. I've got two little shoes and I did have two straps, but they just keep breaking. So I think I need to like make flat straps. We got two straps named Jimbo and Ringo. And now I'm gonna make some kind of like flower to go on the front. So I need to make 5 tiny little balls. This is gonna be so fiddly. Hey, cute. And there we go. 2 cute little booties. We've got our alphabet. It's all coming along nicely. So, excuse the state of me. So, I'm gonna let everything set and dry, and I'll check back in with you when we're doing the icing of the cake and everything like that. Hello! So, today's the day that we are icing the cake and decorating it, and this is it now. This is it, so wish me luck. Butter ice. Okay, so I didn't film me decorating because my camera died, but this is the finished cake and I'm actually so happy with this. Hit me up for all your caking and baking opportunities. Look at it, and it's got glitter. I'm actually so happy with that. So, so, so pretty.